Well, hello there. This is Angeles Perez, and welcome back. I had a few people text me after they saw my last video on the Superman hack, as they call it, where you're using superhero costumes to get yourself into that mode, into that mental and emotional state of mind where you have less fear, more courage, instant confidence, higher self-esteem. Well, a lot of them said it worked just as well as I described it would, but they had questions, and all the questions seems to come out to the same premise: is that how can I do it quicker? I know at first this doesn't make any sense, but how can how long would it take you to put on the suit and get yourself mind ready and emotionally ready and spiritually ready? It's like it takes only a few seconds or a few minutes at tops, but some people said that's even too long, and I'm like, okay, then there is a way to actually do it practically instantaneously, without the imagination part, without the going into the in-depth, immersing yourself in that superhero facade, that avatar. There is a way where you can take that avatar and bring it forth anytime you want. You first have to create the avatar to be able to call it forth. So if you haven't practiced putting on a superhero suit to make you feel better about yourself before you go into a situation that needs courage, more confidence, more whatever, you can't get something from nothing. You have to first create this perfect avatar. Now, if you don't know how to do that, go to my old video, which said, I think it's the NLP Superman, and listen to it and learn the process of creating your own superhero. After that, you can then come to this video and learn how to do it immediately on the fly, without worrying about, I need a few moments to put on, go from Clark Kent to my Superman suit. No, you won't need any moments. You can literally do it at a blink of an eye, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So, but before I continue, remember, you want to listen to this video from the beginning to the end. People who have skipped ahead have missed it and said it doesn't work because they have missed how to do it. See the video from the beginning to the end to get all the nuances of it, and then you will be prepared for the rest of your life and how to call forth your avatar. So this is how it works. I'm going to assume you already have an avatar. I'm going to assume you already have your superhero that you have created and makes you feel fantastic. You feel great, and you feel ready to take on the world. You're about to battle Goliath, and you're not concerned about it. Great. Now, as you're creating that avatar, as you're finishing up the process of creating this ultimate superhero facade that you're putting on, I want you to think of something that you want to connect it to. It's called, in NLP, it's called anchoring. It could be the point, which is a very good place to be, where you feel your pulse right near your wrist. You want to, it's like people can't see it right there. Yeah. And if you don't know where exactly it is, you keep feeling around with your thumb, you'll feel your heart beating. That's exactly the best part. Now, another place you might, earlobe, any earlobe will work. If you're righty, I recommend the right. If you're lefty, left. If you have a ring on, which I don't, but if you have a ring on, I would recommend using that as an anchor. Now, what do I mean by anchor? Anchor is a way of taking one NLP therapy, modality, technique, and adding another one to it so that it works as a team, as a union, to trigger the other one. What I mean by that? Okay, good example. Say I made a Superman suit, and I already know what it looks like. I know how it feels. I mean, everything now. Maybe I just made it. Okay, this is for you newbies. I just made myself feel fantastic because I'm looking in my imaginary mirror in my head, in my mind, of me wearing a Superman suit, and I feel great. I look great. I'm looking around. Yeah, I'm tall. I got my shoulders back, my chest out, buttocks out. Yes. Now, at that moment, when you're feeling your top and you're feeling at your highest level, I want you to, lefty or righty, grab the earlobe. Just go like that on. Just grab it and pull it down a little bit. Or go to your wrist, righty, or if you're lefty. If you got a ring on, take that ring and just turn it 2 or 3 times. That's it. Now go back to the mirror in your mind's eye. Pretend you see yourself in that suit and you're feeling confident and you're saying to yourself, yes, I am confident now. Yes, I am fearless now. Yes, I have courage now. I have higher self-esteem, whatever the words are. You put them forth. And if you have any trouble doing that, then you need to talk to an NLP practitioner to help you with that mindset that's getting in the way. But for the rest of you, if you have no problems, do that exercise. But every time you're doing that, again, touch the spot, turn the ring. Do that 2 or 3 times as you're creating the avatar, your facade. And once that's done, forget about it. Go away. Just go do your life, go back to work. And believe it or not, next time you feel a little lack of confidence, a little lack of courage, perhaps self-esteem is not at the level you want it to be, you're getting a little anxiety coming in, a little fear, pull that, touch that, turn that ring, and watch what happens. I've been using this on my clients for years. I've used it on myself, and it's called anchoring. You're taking one technique of NLP and adding it to another one. With those two modalities working side by side, you have access to instant response. So I don't have to imagine putting on the suit now anymore like I used to, because I've already anchored it to a specific thing that I do physically. So just before I'm going to do something and I'm not feeling up to par on it, I will touch that one thing that I've anchored it to, and I'm ready to go. So that's it. If you want more details on this, let me know. I will make another video with an explanation on how to really get in depth and use more NLP modalities, more hacks to really improve your social and your business life. With that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the icon bell so you're reminded of other videos that I'm going to upload. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.